You eat, you sip, you pop a pill. Everything you put in your body takes a road trip through your bloodstream and ends up at one critical checkpoint: your kidneys. When they're healthy, they quietly filter waste, balance minerals, and keep your blood clean. When they're not, toxins build up, energy drops, swelling creeps in, and life gets small. There is no single superfood that fixes everything, but the right food pattern can slow damage, even help your kidneys recover function. Today, we'll make this simple and practical. 6 high-impact diet shifts and the top 23 foods that support your kidneys, what to choose, how to use them, and what to watch out for. The big picture: you need first diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol are the top drivers of chronic kidney disease. Food choices nudge all three daily. Your job isn't perfection. It's consistent, kidney-smart swaps. Think: more fiber in plants, controlled sodium, smarter sugars, better fats, and the right kind of protein at the right dose for your stage. 6 dietary moves that actually help kidneys. 1. Eat more fiber. Fiber feeds good gut bacteria, reduces inflammation, tames cholesterol, smooths blood sugar, and supports blood pressure. 5. Wins that protect kidneys. Aim for approximately 28 grams per day. Great lower potassium sources include cooked broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, radishes, beets, pears, berries, apples, watermelon, oats, oat bran, and legumes. Portion as advised. Prep tip for potassium management: rinse chopped produce well. Soak, boil, and drain, leaching when needed, per your dietitian. To limit added sugars, high glucose scars the kidney filters and leaks protein into urine. Keep added sugars minimal, ideally 10% of calories. Many do better with far less. Ditch soda and sweet teas. Watch flavored yogurts and snack bars. Hydration hero: water. 3. Get enough vitamin D safely. Vitamin D helps modulate inflammation and blood pressure signaling in the kidneys. Food sources: fatty fish, egg yolks, mushrooms exposed to UV, fortified dairy, plant milks, and cereals. Supplement only with medical guidance. Too much can raise calcium and stone risk. For cutback on sodium, restaurant and packaged foods are salt mine. General target is less than or equal to 2,300 milligrams per day. Many with CKD benefit from approximately 1,500 milligrams per day, clinician directed. Cook more at home. Use herbs, acids, garlic to flavor, and read labels. Aim 400 milligrams sodium per serving. 5. Favor vitamin E-rich foods over megadoses. Food-based vitamin E supports antioxidant defenses in the kidneys. Use nuts, seeds, watch portions, certain oils, greens, pumpkin, red bell pepper. Avoid high-dose supplements unless prescribed. 6. Eat fewer ultra-processed foods. More plants. A plant-forward pattern lowers acid load, harmful additives, phosphorus additives, and saturated fat while raising antioxidants and fiber. Still, your protein target depends on your CKD stage. Get a personalized plan. Top 8 fruits that love your kidneys. Pineapple, rich in vitamin C and bromelain for anti-inflammatory support. Enjoy 1 cup fresh. Watch meds like blood thinners. Moderate potassium. Avocado, great fats, fiber, very low sugar, but potassium is high. If you're on a potassium restriction, ask your dietitian about safe portions often. 1/3 fruit. Calorie-dense mined portions. Grapes. Resveratrol supports vessels. Fiber and hydration help too. 1 cup fresh or frozen is a smart serving, especially if you're watching potassium and sugars. Watermelon hydrating, gentle diuretic effect, and contains L-citrulline. Usually 1 to 2 cups day is fine. Watch total fluids and potassium if restricted. Skip watermelon cleanse fads. Apple's pectin binds toxins in the gut and may reduce kidney burden. 1 medium daily works for most. Eat the skin after washing. Cranberries. Proanthocyanidins can reduce certain UTs by preventing bacterial adhesion. Low in potassium, Phosphorus. If you use juice, pick low sugar and count fluids. Cranberries can interact with some meds. Ask first. Other berries, strawberries, blueberries, acai antioxidant powerhouses with moderate potassium. About 1 cup per day is a sweet spot. Buy fresh or frozen. Avoid sugary syrups. Pomegranate, loaded with antioxidants, polycalogens, vitamin C, E, and vitamin K. Helpful for inflammation and vessel health. Higher potassium. Confirm with your clinician, especially post-transplant possible med interactions. Top for vegetables that support kidney function: red bell peppers, low potassium, high vitamin C, A, and fiber. Extremely versatile, raw or roasted. Kale, vitamin-rich, antioxidant-dense. Moderate oxalate and higher potassium than peppers, portioned with guidance if you have stones or potassium limits. Cabbage, hydrating. High in fiber, supports cholesterol balance. Try sots, slaws, or fermented. Sauerkraut for probiotic benefits. Mine sodium in store-bought ferments. Cucumber, ultra-hydrating, alkaline-leaning, packed with polyphenols. Great in salads or blended into green juices. Go easy on added sweet fruit. 5 drinks that do more than quench thirsty men. Water citrate can help discourage certain stones, and the vitamin C aids repair. Dilute, sip with a straw. Rinse mouth after to protect enamel. Beetroot juice, nitrates for vessel dilation and anti-inflammatory betalains. High in potassium and oxalates, small portions and clear with your clinician if you have stones or potassium limits. Turmeric milk, golden milk, curcumin, calms inflammation, black pepper, and a little fat boost absorption. If you're on blood thinners or have GI issues, discuss first. Green tea, catechins, EGCG, support glucose, lipids, and vascular health. 2 to 4 cups day suits many. Watch caffeine tolerance and brew from quality loose leaves. Ginger tea soothes nausea and offers antioxidant, anti-inflammatory benefits. Make it fresh. Skip sugary ginger beers. Use caution with high-dose supplements on blood thinners. 2 flavor boosters that spare the salt. Garlic supports vascular tone and antioxidant enzymes. Best as fresh cloves in food. Concentrated supplements may raise bleeding risk and add unwanted minerals. Onions, quercetin-rich, vessel-friendly, and low in potassium, phosphorus, sodium. Cook to tame sulfur and breath. Savor raw in moderation to animal proteins that fit most kidney plans. Fish. High-quality protein plus omega-3, South salmon, sardines, trout. Favor fresh or low-sodium options. People on dialysis transplants should avoid raw fish. Choose smaller low-mercury species and follow local advisories. Egg whites lean. Complete protein with relatively lower phosphorus load than many animal proteins. Great in scrambles, omelets, or added to bowls. Portion to your prescribed protein target. 2 smart fats that carry vitamins without the junk. Extra virgin olive oil. Phenols and oleic acid calm inflammation and support heart-kidney health. Use for dressings and low-medium heat cooking. Store in dark glass metal. By certified quality. Walnuts plant omega-3s, fiber, magnesium, and satiety. About 1 ounce per day. A small handful is plenty. Choose unsalted. Store chilled to prevent rancidity. Simple kidney-smart meal ideas. Breakfast: overnight oats with blueberries, chopped walnuts, and cinnamon. Or egg white and kale scramble with red pepper. Side of sliced apples. Lunch: cabbage, carrot, slaw with lemon garlic evu dressing. Grilled salmon and a small side of quinoa portion per plan. Or Mediterranean chickpea bowl. Cucumber, tomato, parsley, olives, drizzle of evu, and lemon. Snack: grapes with a few cubes of low-sodium cheese. Or homemade ginger lemon tea and a small pineapple cup. Dinner: herb garlic baked trout. Roasted red peppers and cauliflower. Olive oil mashed white beans. Or stir-fried cabbage. Onion peppers. With tofu or egg whites over rice portion per plan. Sesame ginger splash low sodium. What to watch out for so good foods don't backfire: potassium and phosphorus. healthy doesn't always mean safe for your labs. Your stage, meds, and dialysis type determine limits. Personalize portions with your renal team. Supplements. High dose, vitamin D, E, turmeric, curcumon garlic, or cranberry can interact with meds or labs. Food first, unless prescribed. Sodium, fermented foods, canned soups, sauces, deli meats, and restaurant meals hide salt scan labels and choose low-sodium versions. Fluid, if you have a fluid restriction, beverages and watery fruits still count. Stones, if you form oxalate stones, moderate beet, spinach, nuts, and megadoses of vitamin C pair oxalate foods with calcium-containing foods per plan to bind oxalate in the gut. Your 7-day kickstart. Day 1. Swap all sugary drinks for water. Lemon water or unsweetened tea. Day 2. Replace one salty packaged meal with a home-cooked plate. Use garlic, lemon, herbs. Day 3. Add 1 cup berries to breakfast. Cut restaurant food this day. Day 4. Cook with EVU and add a small handful of unsalted nutset. Walnuts. Day 5. Build a plant-forward. Dinner, half plate veggies, quarter protein, quarter starch. Day 6. Make fresh ginger tea after dinner. Day 7. Write down questions for your clinician. What's my protein target? Potassium range. Phosphorus strategy. Should I see a renal dietitian? Closing your kidneys aren't asking for perfection, just better inputs more often. Lean on fiber-rich plants, low-sodium flavor, smart fats, and right-sized protein. Use the 23 foods you learned today as a grocery checklist and rotate them week by week. If you already have CKD, bring this plan to your clinician or renal dietitian and tailor it to your labs and stage. You've got this one plate at a time.